to introduce you all to something very interesting and very useful. A rocket stove. This is a stove designed and built by one of our refugee children, Agbor Shedrack. Shedrack is just 16 years old and lives in Adagon 1 refugee camp in Ogoja, Nigeria. So what is a rocket stove? A rocket stove is an efficient cooking stove which reduces firewood consumption by 50%, produces little or no smoke, and takes half the time to cook. For example, to boil water, rice, beans, or any other food that you want to cook. The rocket stove protects your health as well. The stove costs only 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira, unbelievable. So to all the women frying puff, cooking beans, running restaurants, a rocket stove would be an excellent tool for you. To place an order today for your own rocket stove, WhatsApp Agbor Shedrack on +234 080 524 37919. I'll take that again. +234 080 524 37919. You can also contact Amber Farmer's Voice if you cannot get to Shedrack. His number is +1 202 735 1145. So to contact Amber Farmer's Voice, use +1 202 735 1145. So instead of waiting for handouts, Shedrack is trying to work and make an income for himself. And let me remind you again, he is just 16. Please support him grow. Order a stove for your family member around the Ogoja area. Thank you so very much.